Welcome to Dawn of Cooking. In this week's video, I'll be making a delicious vegetable quiche with a twist. The twist is I'll be making a brown rice crust. So if you're trying to lose weight, get more whole grains in your diet, eat more vegetables, and just be healthy, this will be a great recipe for you. So come along with me and let's get started. Begin by rinsing some brown rice, cooking it, and letting it cool. Measure out 3 cups of cooled rice and now beat 1 egg and add it to the rice and stir it till it's all incorporated. After spraying your pie plate, go ahead and dump in the rice, and now you'll be just spreading it around, pushing it down with a fork and going up the sides to form your crust. Place your crust in a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes and then go ahead and take it out. Chop 2 packed cups of broccoli and 2 cups of zucchini. And now you're going to go ahead and melt a tablespoon of butter and half a chopped onion to your saute pan and go ahead and let it cook just a little bit, and then add the rest of your vegetables. Really, you can add any vegetables that you like. I like to use black pepper, and go ahead and also add a little salt and garlic powder. I'm cracking 3 eggs into a dish. Whisking it. And now adding 1 cup of milk. Don't forget, this recipe will also be on my blog, dawnofcooking.com. Now add your vegetables to your crust. Finally, grate about 3/4 cup of cheese, whatever kind that you really like. I'm using cheddar here. And now go ahead and pour on your milk and egg mixture. Now bake for approximately 30 minutes, more or less, until it's totally set. This quiche is actually good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This salad is going to be on my website, dawnofcooking.com. Go ahead and have some fruit and serve it up. It is time to eat. Thanks for joining me in this video. I'm glad you came along. Hope you enjoyed the recipe and can make it soon. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and like, comment, and subscribe. Let your friends know. I'd love to share this video with all of them. So have a blessed week, and I will see you in the next video.